Hey folks, I'm back out at the car finally, and I mean finally. It's been a long wait trying to get everything sorted here. The car has been away and it is back and it's looking a lot straighter than it was, which is fantastic. It's been a struggle. I was dealing with a couple of companies, one local here, he was way too busy. He couldn't take it in, fair enough, not a problem. The guys in Group D, DMAC, they've been long time supporters of me. They wanted to take it in, they wanted to get it sorted, but literally just with my work schedule at the moment, I just didn't have time to get down to Bullivant, which is a pity. I would have loved to get the guys to sort it out, but unfortunately, due to me, just couldn't get down there. So, luckily enough, I was talking with Steve and MDT, they're rebuilt, and literally he was on to me this evening, the engine is rebuilt and ready for pickup. So they were rebuilding the engine, and he knew that I had problems with the car and I need to get it straightened, and he suggested a company local to him. He arranged it. He said just get the car down here. Urlingford is a half an hour down the road, so it kind of really worked out for my scheduling and got the car down. So got the guys in Urlingford, they straightened it out, everything is good, ready to rock and roll. So now I can finally start building it back up. It's currently near the start of February, and I'm after booking a track day for the 8th of April. I just needed to have something to aim towards so that I can get this car out there. I need that little bit of motivation. So it is all straight, and to be fair, the guys have done a really good job, even so far as kind of pulling little bits of metal that got crushed and stuff like that. But quite a lot of work to get done. So first thing I want to do is the front kind of tube bar that all the lights and radiators, intercooler, everything like that hangs off of. That's the original one that was in it, and it's looking less than fit for purpose. So first thing we want to do is I have a jig that I made up originally when the car was all mint and fresh and ready. So I'm going to bolt that jig on, and that's going to give me all the bolt points for all the bits and pieces. So get that jig on and let's start bending some metal. Okay, so that's most of the way there. All the basic structure is there anyway. I have the downpipes, a little bit of bracing welded in, and a couple of corner pieces here. So the next job is to drill down these holes and make up little plugs that'll go through, threaded, and then for the headlights and the wing, they can be all bolted on. So get on with that. Fall over that, and yeah, that'll be that much done. To make the mounting plugs for the lights and the wings and all that kind of stuff to go in there, I go to my very, very ancient lathe. Lucky enough to have it, very not expert on it, but it does the job. It gets all this kind of stuff, just small things that can be awkward to make, put together. So. Little bit of progress on this front bar now. I have all the little plugs welded into position. I have all the bar fully welded up, ready to rock and roll. Everything is welded up. I just want to weld on a couple of brackets onto the bar to pick up the intercooler. So intercooler fits in these for the bottom brackets, and then we'll have to bring out something to catch the top. So that's the next job, and then this will be done, and then that'll be done. So the last bit of welding done, completed on this. I've those two supports for the, still a bit hot, for the intercooler done, fully welded up, everything is done. Ready for a little bit of paint on that. So that'll get that back in, ready to bolt up intercoolers and radiators and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to leave it there for this video. Thanks for joining me. Next video, tune in, where I'll be putting the SR back together. So that is ready to go. Fully rebuilt by Stiv and MDT. Gearboxes, turbos, inlet manifolds, injectors, all that kind of stuff to get bolted on, and can go in here. And now that the front bar is on, we can bolt in all our rads and all that stuff as well. So talk to you very soon. Thanks for tuning in. Take it easy.